In this lecture series, I'm not gonna talk about the building process of transitional diagrams NFA or DFA because I assume that you guys covered this part in the automation theory course. Let's talk about the converting the converting process of regular expression to NFA. For empty string, if we are in I state, we will able to go to the final state J. After that, if any string start with a, we are in I state. For take is transaction, we will be able to go to the next state, which is J. Then the P or Q, we are in stress state. Take epsilon move, we will be able to go to the N state. After taking P transaction, we will be able to go to the next step. Take epsilon move, we will be able to go to the final state. Q part is as same as P part. Like here, to take epsilon move, we will be able to go to the next state. Take Q transaction and move, we will be able to go to the final state. After taking epsilon move, we will be able to go to the final state, which is F. Now P or Q concatenation move. We are in state I. Take P move, we will be able to go to the next state. After taking Q transaction move, we will be able to go to the final state, which is F. This is the Q star, which is called the closer. Star have two basic things, which is one, we will go to the final state by taking 0 moves, or second, any number of we will take any number of moves to go to the final state. First, take a look of about the nullable part. If we are in state 1, take epsilon move, we will be able to go to the final state 4. And the second part is take epsilon move, we will be able to go to the next state. Take Q move transaction, we will be able to go to the number 3 state. Take any number of moves, then here to here, then take epsilon move, we will be able to go to the final state 4. Here is one example. ABS. I divide this firstly. I divide this example into two parts. One is AB star and another is A star B. First, for AB star, we are in start state 1. Take A move, we will be able to go to the final state. Take B star move. Then the second part is A star B. We are in start state 3. Take A star move, then take B move, we will be able to go to the final state 4. Now merge these two parts into one part, which is AB star or A star B. We are in create a new state 5. Take epsilon move. Now add this part into here. Then take another epsilon move, and then add this part into here, because it is the AB star or A star B move part. Now for the finally for AB star or A star B whole star part, we have to create a new final state 7 and new new initial state 7 and new final state 8. Now we have to apply the star rules here, which is taking 0 or any number of moves, we will be able to go to the final state. Previously defined part, which is AB star or A star B, add here. Take from 7, take epsilon move, we will be able to go to the state 5, and take 6 from state 6, take epsilon move, we will be able to go to the state 8. For epsilon move, from initial state 7 take epsilon move, we will able to go to the final state 8, and from 6 to 5 take we will have to take any number of moves. Now take another example. Now divide this example into two parts, which is a b star c and another is a bracket b or c star. For this part we will define our move for b, a or c, and for b star the move is here. For b star c we will have to apply the concatenation rule. Take b and add it to here, and now take c and add it to here, make this the new final state. Now for a b star c we will have to apply the concatenation rule again. Add a here and now take b star c and add it to here. Now we will have to deal with this part. We will have to define the move for b, a, c and c star. For b or c star we have to define our move here, like we have to take the c star move, and we have to take the b move, the move for b, and write it to here. Now we have to apply the rules of OR. So we have to define a new initial state and new final state, and from initial state take epsilon move, we will able to go to the this part, which this part, and from initial state we will able to go to the this take epsilon move, we will able to go to the this state. From these two state we will take epsilon move and able to go to the final state. Now for a and b or c star part we will have to apply the concatenation rule. Take this part and take part of a, write b or c star part here, and add it to the part of a. Now finally for whole part, for this part and this part, we have to take these two parts, like this is the one part and this is another part, and write it to here. Because it is the OR moves, so apply the OR rules here. Take a new initial state and new final state. From 1 take epsilon move, we will able to go to the a, b star or c part, and from 1 from 1 to take epsilon move, we will able to go a and b or c star part. For 7 and 16 take epsilon move, we will able to go to the new final states, which is 17.